I'm going to show you my hibiscus. So this is summerific, very awesome hibiscus, and I planted 3 here. This one is just coming up and the other one was already leafing. And this one, I don't really see much, but these are covered in coreopsis, so I think that could be part of the problem. So it is towards the end of May, Memorial Day weekend 2026, and look, I could see a little bit coming up from this. Is it black merlot? Blackberry merlot. Attract to a beautiful lily and some phlox and some black-eyed Susans. This one is Holy Grail, and it was the first one that is now 2 feet tall, and it was the first one to pop out, so I knew that one was alive first. 3 Edge of Night, summerific Edge of Night, and this one's just coming out, and this one has been out for a little bit, and I have 4 more that aren't doing anything at the moment. One of these is waking up, so I have faith that these will all come back. Sally Holmes is really growing, climbing rose. Here's its little sister that I planted probably a half a year later, just coming out. So you can take a little scan here, see how things look. I did try to edge a little bit today, but I really have to do more. There's some gomphrena here, pink truffula, or truffles, and this coral reminiscent, and a El Nino Chatalpa, and here's my other. I don't remember what this one is, and I'm not seeing a name tag, so, but this one is coming out as well. I probably mulched up a little too much on top of this. But anyway, really hopeful that this one comes out. This watermelon ruffles isn't doing anything at the moment, so hopefully we didn't lose it. I get nervous about that. It's the dog jumping on lizards. My endless summer hydrangeas are in full bloom. This one is my limelight prime, and it is finally leafing out. There's another one that's also leafing out. This one that's doing nothing. This one leafing out, and I think it's going to be really funny when you see these really huge this summer. This one's doing really well here as well. 3 primes coming up here. Nervous that my bobos weren't going to make it, but this one's starting to leaf out. Here's one of my oak leaf hydrangeas, very little. One is older. 2 here are Gatsby series, and these are the first blooms I've seen on them. Here's the other. But I'll leave you on this. Adieu.